Hi, I'm Lori Gaspar, and we are Prairie Yoga, and we are so excited for our next retreat at Feather Pipe Ranch. We had such a great time last time, and we can't wait for this one to come. But this is
Allison Larkin. I am so excited to connect with you at this beautiful space, both on and off the mat.
And I'm Renee Lindstrom. I have not been to Feathered Pipe yet, so I can't wait to go and see the beautiful space and practice yoga with you.
So our theme for this year, our intention for this year is opening to joy, kind of connecting and discovering the awe of nature, both the beautiful nature that surrounds Feathered Pipe, as well as our true nature that's within us. And we'll be doing playful practices that include asana, pranayama, meditation, natural movement, you name it, we'll be doing it. And the practices are appropriate for all, whether you're a yoga teacher or you're new to yoga. We'll adapt the practice to make you feel comfortable. So I hope you'll join us this year. We're really excited to see you.